And starting this edition of news with a breaking update, we're picking up Indian envoy to China has sent out a strongly worded message to China. Vikram Misri has said that China's claim of sovereignty over Galwan is completely untenable and that such exaggerated claims are not going to help. Remember, this comes at a time when India has made its stand extremely clear that we do not want war, we want peace and tranquility as far as the LAC region is concerned, but any kind of provocation and intimidation will not be tolerated. And now Indian envoy to China coming out with this warning to China. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, also with us. Aishwarya, that is the stand that India has maintained the past few days. Even the Ministry of External Affairs has said that China's repeated claims of complete ownership of the Galwan Valley is extremely unacceptable and will not be tolerated.
Well, absolutely, and at the end of the day, Government of India has said that we want peace. But as far as an inch of a land of India is concerned, that is not to be compromised with. And as far as the whole Galwan Valley is concerned, it's a 3-kilometer radius. It's a 3-kilometer patch of land which China says that belongs to them, and that is completely false. And that is what our envoy, Mr. Misri, has also very categorically stated, that China's claim onto the valley is wrong, is not something which can be attained, and rather it cannot be even discussed over. So first and foremost, China needs to de-escalate. China needs to understand that they need to go by the LAC, line of actual control, which the Chinese as well as the Indian government had agreed upon. And this is something that India is not asking for any change. India is not asking to move the LAC towards the Chinese side. Then why are the Chinese pushing it back to India? So this is something which has been an aggressive policy of the Chinese. They have been trying to push it, whether it's with Tibet, whether it's with Nepal. But when it comes to India, Chinese need to understand this is India of 2020. They dare not do this. And as far as India is concerned, Government of India has made it very clear that they are ready to talk. They are ready for peace. They want to basically sort out things between India and China. But if China feels that India is going to give its autonomy even over an inch of land, forget about that 3-kilometer patch, that is not going to happen.
Yes. Of how China has claimed complete ownership of the Galwan region, to which now India once again sending out a strong message. Many thanks, Aishwarya.